You did mention that you are probably seeing keratoconus for younger patients these days. Any particular reason you think this is happening? Any?
Yes, yes. Eye rubbing. Period.
Okay.
Eye rubbing coming from two things in young patients. The use of electronic devices first will generate dry eye because they blink less. And we see those meibomian gland dysfunction on patients of 15, 20 years old now. Their lids are really comparable to an old lady of 75 years old because they do not blink, they do not stimulate their meibomian gland, their meibomian gland just collapse and they have dry eye because of that. And because they have dry eye, they rub their eyes. And we have more allergy compared to what we had 20 years ago. 70% of the population is allergic to something. In some areas, pollution plays a big role as well, the particles in the air. So again, it's really rude on the ocular surface, making patients to rub their eyes, and eye rubbing is dictating, is triggering keratoconus. Not on everyone, but in a lot of patients. Some author said that we have all the genes to develop keratoconus. There are three genes associated with keratoconus already found, but we have all of them. We share these genes on every human being has a potential to develop keratoconus. In some countries, like the North African countries, for example, the prevalence is 1 out of 300 in the population. Why? Because it's sandy, it's hot, dry eye disease is everywhere. They're exposed heavily to UV without protection, and UV generate, free radicals in the cornea. Free radicals destroy the natural proteins of the cornea, and you make the cornea softer because of that. That these are all reasons why we see that on young patients.